Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be making some cashew chocolate banana bread from scratch. Basically I used what was in my house. Yeah, so I had chocolate left from making cookies. I also had cashews. For now it's cashew chocolate banana bread. I love banana bread, especially when I have excessive bananas or overly ripened bananas. Alright guys, so these are my ingredients. Over here I have cinnamon, nutmeg, vanilla, flour, melted butter, chocolate chips, my bananas of course, and my eggs. So first you want to beat your bananas down, honey. Beat them down. I wish mine were more ripened, but I had to use what I had because I think I bought too many. And I froze enough for 2 weeks for smoothies, so I decided to just make a banana bread. So I added my sugar, cinnamon, my egg. It's pretty straightforward. You add all the wet ingredients first and season it up really well first, and then you add the flour. I love nutmeg in banana bread. I feel like that's a secret ingredient. Well, maybe not. Well, let's just say the amount is secret to me, because for me, I put a lot in there because I feel like it really lifts banana bread. I love nutmeg in there. So you want to add your flour down in here. Mix it in until, you don't see any flour anymore. And then we're going to bake this off into a 350-degree oven. Mine took about 40 minutes. It didn't take too long. You want to then add your chocolate chips down in here and fold it in gently. Don't be tearing it up. And then we're gonna bake it off in the oven, and I'll show you guys what that looks like. Alright, so this is what the banana bread looks like, nice and golden and pretty. Then I'm going to brush the top with some melted butter, and then I'm going to top it with some more chocolate chips as well as some cashews that I found in my refrigerator. So I chopped up the cashews and I just spread it on there. I didn't have a lot. If you had more than I did, throw it on there. You want to tint the banana bread so that the chocolate can melt on top. Don't put it all the way down. And this is what it looks like. It was super moist, it was delicious, it was crunchy on top, and I just loved it. I hope you guys enjoyed this easy simple banana bread recipe, and I'll catch you on my next video. Hey guys, so this is the look. This thing is so moist. This is what it looks like. The secret to perfect banana bread, as far as like the flavor, not the texture, the flavor, is fresh grated nutmeg. I need to put this away because I'm gonna end up eating the whole thing. And I'll catch you on my next video, guys. Bye.